In order to bridge pSTAKE from Ethereum to the base chain, head over to superbridge.app and select the base chain tile. Connect the wallet of your choice by clicking on the Connect button in the right top corner. Once connected, make sure you are indeed sending from the Ethereum chain to base before selecting your asset. Click on the drop-down menu next to ETH and search for pSTAKE. Now that you have selected pSTAKE as the asset to bridge, enter the amount you wish to bridge from Ethereum to base chain and hit the deposit button. A notification dialog will appear. It shows the cost of approving pSTAKE and initiating the deposit. If this looks good to you, select the 3 checkboxes and click on the Approve button to continue. Approve the transaction to spend your pSTAKE in your wallet and wait for it to process. Once confirmed, the next step is to initiate the deposit, allowing pSTAKE to be bridged from Ethereum to base. Confirm the transaction in your wallet and wait for it to process. Note that the bridging process can take a couple of minutes, depending on the network load. To track the progress in the meantime, you can hit the Activity tab at the bottom of the screen. Once completed, you are all set. You've now successfully bridged pSTAKE from Ethereum to base chain and are free to use pSTAKE elsewhere on base. As a final step, you can head over to basescan.org and see under the Deposits tab that your pSTAKE has been successfully transferred.